It's an awesome day. So we're gonna get the CR started today. Stay tuned through the video. I'm gonna show a little clip of Drew actually welding a subframe together on the fixture. A lot of guys have been asking how we do that. So we quite simply fixture all of our parts. We first mock them up and build a fixture, but you're gonna see that in the video. So you're gonna see some TIG welding, you're gonna see some plastic trimming, and then some light assembly, and then we're gonna get this thing started up. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Okay guys, so only real mod you have to do to get this can to work on our subframe, more or less because we're bringing the seat down and we're going to a quad rear end, we cut the mid pipe on the silencer and we rotate the mid pipe. So we generally just line it back up. We're gonna TIG weld a little piece in here just to fill that gap and be good to go. You see how we built an exhaust hanger here just to keep everything at the correct angle. Also clearancing for the caliper as it moves up and down. Coming together. Super pumped. This thing is buttoned up to the point of actually starting it. So let's get this thing started. Just want to tell you guys we run VPC12 and Maxima racing oil for the premix. So let's see how it runs. Thing runs killer. Sure, the neighbors love me right now. It's okay. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna finish this up, get all the plastic on, get the intake on, do some tuning. Very excited to get this thing out on a track, so stay tuned for some videos of that. But the next video, we're gonna have this thing fully done. We're gonna do a test ride and go from there. But right now, this thing runs great. Everything looks great, so if you guys like two-strokes, let me know. We're gonna be doing a bunch of them. Now remember, guys, if you like two-strokes, you're gonna wanna subscribe to this channel. We might possibly be giving one of them away. Now, we're obviously not giving away the CR500 build, but here's a little preview of a pile of parts sitting here that are going on this machine. So this thing's coming together. Stay tuned for the video of that. Again, if you guys like two-strokes, there's so many more of them coming between big wheels, trikes, and everything. It's gonna be awesome.